Hey y'all, I know many of you really liked the Sea and Sky condo here in Bangsaday video that I did. Well, since I put that out, I have made contact with the owner of the building and they have lots of availability that they didn't have at the time I made that video. It's high season now, so availability is changing all the time. Anyhow, I ran down there the other day and made a quick video of a 2-bedroom and a studio so that you would be able to see now everything that they have to offer there. Let's go take a look. Okay, let's check out this 2-bedroom unit. Yeah, right off. I mean, the first thing I noticed was huge couch there. Big chase on the end. Storage in the armrest, cup holders. Oh, I didn't check this out before. Curious minds want to know. Lots of storage, or I guess bunk beds. I'm not sure, but yeah, you use it how you want. Big and bright. Comfortable sofa, nice big ottoman, put your feet up. Nice big TV on the wall unit. Got some built-ins here in the corner. More storage underneath. You don't see that a lot, like little corner storage knick-knack units. Not very common. Kitchen back here. Bar stool height, just a place to sit and eat. Casual. You've got a little 2-burner cooktop here. Range hood. Refrigerator and microwave back there. Sink, nice tile backsplash. So well-equipped kitchen, good size. There's another little area over here for storage. You could put a desk, that'd make a nice little working nook there. Or you can make a reading nook, whatever you wanted to do with it, but a little extra space there off of the shared bathroom. Typical bathroom, but it does have a full glass enclosure, so you're not getting the whole room wet. It's made to be wet. I don't know if you can see it, but it drops down and it's all tiled in, so if the floor gets wet, it's no problem. Super easy to clean. Let's go to the, I guess, bedroom number 2. Nice big standard closet unit there. 2 side tables. And it has a TV in here. Also has direct access to the balcony. The balcony runs the length of this unit, and we'll go outside when we go from the other room. But great mountain view there, and when you get around the corner in the other bedroom, you've got a water view looking the opposite direction. Let's check out the master. Again, good sized bed. I think it's a queen or a 5 we would call it here. It's a back corner unit, so you've got the extra window there. Closet. And then the ensuite for the master is in here. Same setup. Nice shower. Good size. You're not going to feel like you're bumping into the walls while you're brushing your teeth in that bathroom. Some of them can get pretty small. All right, let's check this balcony and the views. There we go. Yeah, like I said, you've got a great view from your balcony here. That little wooden pier that goes out is it's for one of the hotels here, and then the next one on the other side of the little cruise ship resort that's being built is kept Bangsaday's pier down there. Nice little cafe out on the end. But you can see it is another beautiful day here. The water is clear blue. The sun is shining. And nice quiet neighborhood all around. Drying rack for your clothes. Washers and dryers are downstairs, but none up here. I'm looking for a connection now. I didn't look when I did my walkthrough before. Don't see a water supply, or well, there's an outlet, but you certainly wouldn't plug a washing machine in over there. So you would have to customize if you wanted to. Well, if you wanted a washing machine, you would have to check into that before purchasing or before renting, and see if it's even an option here. It may just not be an option because it's not built for that. But washers and dryers right downstairs. I showed those in my other my other video on this building. And if you'd like to watch that video, I'll put a link to it up here. I think that's the right hand. If not, it will be up here. Anyway, wherever you see a thing pop up, click that if you want to see the other video. Great unit, nice size. I didn't bring my notes, so I don't have the exact size of the unit top of mind, but I do know that rent here is 25,000 baht. I'll put the size here on the screen for you. And since we're at the upper end of the scale with a very nice, very large 2-bedroom here at 25,000 baht, I know that's out of some people's price ranges and you don't need a 2-bedroom unit. Let's go check out a studio. This is one of the things I love about Thailand. Shoes stay outside, shoe racks in the hall, or just leave them by your door. Okay, 28 square meter studio, and I think we're on 2nd floor. But it's bright. It looks much bigger than 28, just right off the bat. So half size fridge here, but we don't use refrigerators much because we eat out all the time. So other than keeping some water and cool drinks, that kind of stuff in, don't really use them a lot. Microwave, single sink, nice little table for 2. We'll start in the bathroom, standard bathroom. Shower curtain in here, not the glass enclosure that we saw in the bigger unit upstairs. Nice shelf in the corner there. The furniture looks new. Little cabinet under the TV there for some more storage. Good sized TV. I don't need anything big. AC. Nice sized bed. 2 nightstands. Typical hard Thai mattress, but I like a hard mattress. This is nice. Little seating area, work area, desk you could use. And then, of course, closet space. More storage on top. All right, let's check the balcony. 2nd floor, and it's facing the road, so you do get some traffic running by here, and you're right down at road level, so there may be a little bit of car noise going by, but you have a peek of the water between the buildings there. Those boats are so colorful. Luckily, there's not much traffic here, so really be occasional car passing. If you wanted to leave the door open, you could. So we've run the full range here. If you look at that older video that I mentioned a minute ago, you'll see a couple of 1-bedroom options. So we have studio, 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom here. The studio that I'm in right now is 28 square meters. It feels much bigger, and it's only 7,000 baht a month. Yeah, so included in that 7,000 baht is weekly cleaning of the room too, and free shared Wi-Fi. Great deal, and you're super close to the beach. You're really 100 yards, 100 meters to the beach. And all of the activity on Beach Road is right at the corner. You can see more of that in the other video as well. 7-Eleven, Night Market, CJ, all those stores are to the right. Beach is to the left. There's a cafe, coffee shop right next door, and a restaurant there. That's one of the places I go to pretty frequently. So I like this corner of town. This would put you in a very walkable place for Bang Saray because you're so close to Beach Road and you're so close to everything else. But they do have bikes downstairs. If you don't want to walk, you can always grab a bike, or if you want to bring groceries back, they have baskets on the front of them. Ride it up to CJ or 7-Eleven, bring your stuff back in the basket. A lot of conveniences here. The quietness of Bang Saray, good price on the unit, and especially since they include weekly cleaning in the prices. All right, let me know if you're interested. Emails here. As always, I'll see you in the next one.